in our favor, they will rubbish about Amaka. The main problem of all these things is that favor guy. Ogu Akasi push you for prank. Ogu Akasi they post video in and they post. Ogu make a conversation. This my intention here. You know dear. Ogu put out as a man. Declare this is what you represent, or this is your thing or your property or whatever. Then at the back, you get a query. Now get a one money out for 9 years, 9 good years. Ogodu second Niger Bridge Erocha for 9 years. You want to put a crew online, people when I go better get or something. I've been very disappointed. Nandin aside that favor of a guy in Okua, especially Ijowa. You see, if you see Basalo, Maxi Mike, Favor and Sister Amaka, most of you the sentiment we not judge, you may make your comment. I'm highly disappointed at some of you. I don't know the reason why some of you allow emotion to play in while making your statement or while making your judgment. Everything about this Favor guy is wrong. How can you be dating a girl for 9 years? 9 good years. 9. Without doing anything tangible, without doing anything meaningful. And after, you came out to destroy her, to tarnish her image and destroy her brand. And you still come out to give nonsense excuses. Like, guy, come on, faith. I don't like it on na oku boyfriend and girlfriend business or husband and wife business, because last Hage Junu will settle all the case. Nkenti Rono last time mecha Hawurum settle all the case. So since then, he was a boyfriend and girlfriend had him on. But the way some of you ne romance yoku on Facebook on atamaro nanya. Ndi ka Ijowa. How can a grown up only in a date for the past 9 years? According to you, in a invest in Isia, name many things in Isia. You didn't introduce you as your client, then introduce yourself to people as your manager. Even though not the girl suggesting in a such introduction, because when game here as a guy that know what you want, like what can you knock yourself? What are you guys even saying? The whole 9 years, nothing, no touching body, no, or nothing like, no, so say an appearance, man, or go and in charge, or what nonsense, bro. Ozia mature can a mature guy like you, it's not making any sense to me. And after everything, na damage her brand, na cause so many damages on her head. In a day wrong note. If you could invest ya Tiego main car is the guy an orphan? If I should add most of you do well on that statement, this Favor guy name OJM invest in Tiego. The girl of an orphan. Ndibeha Melisia. Like Ndibeha or the boy BS wrote the girl from the day one meeting. The girl like I don't even know how to put all those things. For most of you need dwell on the not spend the ego zoya or make your car or build on car when they make your judgment. It's not making any sense to me. As far as I'm concerned, that Amaka is the one that built herself. The fact they now control page in name invest or put you can have or you can have or you want to cook an eso. People neso. You are not the one that built her. If I should tell you, and most of you name no tirego, name all those things were nonsense. I don't judge case based on emotional stuff. You name take better. Meanwhile, you're on the wrong side, and now you are claiming victim. You know Kitani she maximike akaya the channel where the basariani who name. You never Kitani jikuha that is his own image rather. According to you guys, so no was a meet a magazine to him a prank, of which you know for the first time. unu emegide o mee the prank a na-agakwa ị na-emekwa onwe gị introduce as manager. What do you expect? Ịbụzie manager ya stop ụmụ nwoke abịakwu n'ebe the girl. The fact that you are the manager, you are introducing yourself as a manager doesn't stop guy from coming to her. Ebe your mistake bidogodu, I may expect you want favor guy. Keep on know your own mistake and move on. I have go to the girl. What also happier? Marriage is not by force. Some people are not aside again. The girl was even very open to let you know the intention of Maxi Michael. Oh, when dog I lock her up. Oburu ndị hookup girls are na Lagos eba. Ha ga lock up na eri ọrụ n'isi. Na alụkọ with the guy. But this one not the open to you. Sigi na ihe na-eme. Oge egwu agisi woru brain for igisi ki ejimana. The girl na-achọ ka take a decision for her he made the game involved na that conversation between ya na Maxi. Kwesi ki use your number 6 what ebe ọ na-eje. Adima like guys see the two door. Adima like Jew guys. Guys see buonuku. For the girl, he may give invite na private conversation ya na Maxi. Where between the intention Maxi Michael nwere ebe ọnụ. Kwesịrị igosi gị ịgwa gị inye gị the whole result ị na-achọ. And the girl is there telling you that no need your friendship, no need the marriage. Come on, think about it. He kept on repeating that thing on that voice. Maxi post too. No need your friendship, no need your friendship rather. No need your marriage, but no God think about it. You want to get my route. May go friendship for 9 years. Okay, buwagisi eburisi buwa uzonabu. Dey here na okwo we fire mechie before maru point Amaka na chip point that conversation. After then Isiagu pick is na call here and e call ya unconfirmed stories anyways of which no make it true na korea ihe ma na daria because you have no right no matter who you are to her to lay your hands on her, no matter your excuse or anything. As a guy, you know any right by any girl aka, be it your sister, be it your wife, or your talk more of all this on a boyfriend, girlfriend, fiancé business. You don't have any right. Sometimes when it go billions of naira this year, I don't want to dwell more on that because it's unverified stories. I saw your life. It's an idea harder. But me looking at you with this art, the way you are trying to tarnish the girl's image, I believe in me, media. Me looking at all these things here, all this your nonsense write up. As far as I'm concerned, here in our favor, they will rubbish about Amaka. Ibu ezigbo mmadụ. Because ọ bụrụ na ibu ezigbo mmadụ, no matter what, you would have tried to move on and avoid that girl's brand. More especially in my whole representing. You know what the girl represents. Her type of music, her type of lifestyle. You could see it to that extent. They all those rubbish they ki emotional blackmail ways on them mother can pity. The people now are thinking with their common sense. I got all those things can get better. With all those things, no this rubbish they. My can't you bring it down again and do or something. Go see now, iga kuriri here. Because when you wanna go as far as that rent to do such thing, watch your mad. Emails go up. But you know it's here for 9 good years without trying to make your statement in full about her. It's in a build there. In a build relationship, in a build career for 9 years. How go to bridge can still nothing. Kasina no on the brother and sister na adiha, you know. But there is no way you can say na gine again been on for all those years and then nothing happened. I can remain yokunu ni. Apart from that, Owe be any major thing ije commit any sia. Now another guy is coming with his intention. Kama mo ya work, biwe. Again he pick you offense. With the cover story, they were long note. And some people are siding you. Like seriously. Now about Maxi names. Onye ọhụrụ na-akparị Maxi, onye ọhụrụ na-asị na Maxi na-anapụ mmadụ enyi ya nwaanyị bụ an idiot. Ezigbo akpa amụ ka onye ahụ. And onye ọhụrụ na-aga against Amaka is also an idiot. Because for me, that Amaka is innocent with Maxi Michael. The main architect of all this problem was that favor guy. I'm saying it now and I will say it tomorrow. The main problem of all these things is that favor guy. With all these things him follow go so far, all this their case him the first since few days ago. And after that guy, as a corny person, Nanda hana emegi no hana fugon, hana tagi hana fugon. So that he got maybe here emegi siabe. Get a hitch or cage also. Damage image that girl. Tiko man came Maxi Michael. He put on Facebook, he may play emotion, can people name it get better. Maybe messy up. Ogo akasi push you for prank. Ogo akasi they post video ni na they post. Ogo make a conversation. This my Maxi intention here there. You know there. Ogo put as a man declare this is what you represent or this is your thing or your property or whatever. Then at the back, you got a query. I've been very disappointed and then outside that favor of a guy in Okua. Especially Ijowa. Echekwe mine kwezi oku, and men use quick again. Echekwe maki Ijowa the bota, and men use quick again. Gain a guy in a live video, an agreement, all those things are rubbish. That your man Barumbu about way off and he should own his mistake and move on. Rather than trying to do all this nonsense emotional blackmail on a more social media. I don't like enough guys can lose guard, yeah. Especially everyone, you know. If you want to do your thing, you do it straight. What's it if they fight your back? They fight your back. Every lose guard go move his ear on. But a long note. All those things there, as far as I'm concerned, is rubbish. We don't want to judge Okua online in-law organic and abun. Man who is a judge this matter. And leave Maxi. Maxi is innocent on this case. Away on Abasa Maxi no Okua. Oh, I just kwaru Maxi Mike self. Kwabi no kuno maho. So you guys should know how to do your judgment. And Maxi, if I should advise you, if you truly love the girl, carry on. If you truly love the girl and the girl also is ready for you, just you guys should go ahead and do your thing. Onye lose guard go, they lose guard go. Ebena, gena one man yaro for 9 years, 9 good years. Ogodu second Niger bridge kena, Erocha for 9 years. You want to put a crew online, can people when I go better get better or something. Share this video after watching. God the one.